Okay, I'm going to show you my simple hookup for a winch hookup for a ride-on lawnmower. I have a 44-inch John Deere snowblower attachment. Yes, and it's hooked up to a Craftsman, but that really doesn't matter. I have no shoes on her. I ordered shoes. I'm getting the polyurethane shoes. But what this video is all about is basically the winch that I'm using to pick up the snowblower attachment. I left the handle on. I taped down the lever here. I left the handle on in case something ever happens in the middle of the winter. I live in Canada. If something happens to the winch and I need to go manually, I don't expect anything that is going to happen to the winch, but just in case, it doesn't hurt to leave it on. I get the cable running from the winch that is bolted on top of the snowblower attachment. It comes along and it's hooked to this snatch block right here. I just got a spacer in there just to give it some distance. It goes up to the handle that I have bolted onto here. I drilled a hole through. Anything will work as long as you can hook to it. Now let's see the operation. I got the switch hooked up here. We're going to put it up now. Simple as that. Plenty of clearance. I don't have to go that high, but I have the option to go that high. It's pretty simple. It's an easy hookup. The handle comes right down to here. It doesn't have to. I'll probably put the handle right to about there. That's plenty distance. Plenty of distance for a snowblower. If I was using it manually, that's where it probably would click in down below with the pin. It looks like a good hookup. I see some videos which is good hookups. They hook them up underneath, but I find this is a lot more simpler and just works good. Okay then, good luck, and I hope I could be a help of hooking a electric winch up. I hooked this up for around $110. Very simple. When it goes down, as soon as there's slack in the line here, you know it's on the ground. Okay.